Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop and resize a picture for a Steam avatar in MS Paint. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MS Paint app on your computer. Once it launches, look at the upper left corner and click on File, then select Open from the drop-down menu. This will bring up your File Explorer where you can browse through your images. Click on the image you want to crop and resize, then click the Open button to load it into MS Paint. Now that your image is loaded, you'll want to create a square selection for your avatar. In the upper left corner within the Home tab, click the arrow beneath Select. From the options that appear, choose Rectangular Selection. This tool allows you to manually define which part of your image you want to keep. Click and drag your mouse across the image to draw a square around the part of the picture you want to use for your avatar. Make sure you're capturing the most important elements of the image within this selection. Once you've made your selection, right-click directly on the highlighted area. A menu will appear, and from this menu, choose Crop. This will remove everything outside your square selection, leaving you with just the portion you want to use. Now you have your cropped image, but it needs to be resized to Steam's avatar dimensions. Right-click on the cropped image and choose Resize from the menu. A resize window will pop up with several options. First, click on Pixels to switch from percentage mode. This allows you to enter exact dimensions rather than working with percentages. Next, you'll notice a box labeled Maintain Aspect Ratio that's likely checked. Uncheck this box as it's preventing you from entering independent width and height values. Now you can freely adjust both dimensions. Type 184 in the horizontal field, then type 184 in the vertical field. These are the perfect dimensions for a Steam avatar. Click OK to apply the resize. Your image is now perfectly sized for Steam. In the upper left, click File and select Save As. You can rename the file if you'd like to keep the original separate, then click Save to store your newly formatted avatar image. Now open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. In the upper right corner, click on your username and select View My Profile from the drop-down. This will take you to your profile page. In the right panel, click Edit Profile to access your customization options. On the left panel, click Avatar to open the avatar settings. Click the Upload Your Avatar button. Select the image you just created, then click Open. Finally, click Save to apply your new avatar. And there you have it. You've successfully cropped and resized your picture to fit perfectly as a Steam avatar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.